My first colors with Leon, the chameleon who can't change color. The Chameleon Who Can't Change Color. Story by Céline Lamour Coquet and illustrations by Jessica Sicolin. Chameleons change color depending on their desires and their moods. All that is, except Leon, who stays brown despite his best efforts. One evening, his neighbor Charlene is gray as she is feeling glum. Her friends seem to have forgotten that it's her birthday tomorrow. Nobody has replied to her invitation, but she has still made lots of cakes. But she can count on Leon. The following morning, he gets up really early to prepare her birthday surprise. He quietly climbs down from their tree. On his way, he collects some pretty green leaves in nice shapes. "Where are you off to at this early hour?" asked the meerkat. "I'm picking a bunch of flowers for Charlene's birthday." The meerkat points out a pretty bush full of flowers. "This smells so good!" Leon exclaims, picking a few of the yellow flowers. A little further on, the chameleon spots a tree with a single red flower right at the top. "It's so high," he thinks as he climbs. "Be careful," warns his friend the baboon. Just as Leon gets hold of the flower, the branch cracks. He squeezes his eyes shut in alarm as he falls. Thankfully, the baboon jumps up and catches him in full flight, returning him gently to firm ground. "Thank you, you saved my life!" Over on the other side of the stream, Leon spies a magnificent pink flower, but he needs to cross the water to reach it and he doesn't know how to swim. Climbing onto a fallen branch, he uses his front legs to paddle hard. When he reaches the other side, he picks the flower. As Leon settles down for a short break, he notices a beautiful blue flower on top of a big rock. But this time, the chameleon is scared of falling. "Climb up on my back," suggests the parrot. With the bird's help, Leon flies over to get his final flower. After an adventure-packed morning, Leon goes to find Charlene, followed by their other friends. "Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Charlene!" they chorus. "Ah, thanks, Leon!" exclaims Charlene, delighted with her beautiful bouquet. As she leans over to give him a kiss, Leon goes all multicolored. His skin has turned all the colors of the rainbow. Leon is so happy and has a whale of a time with his friends at Charlene's birthday party. The end.